Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the DC 1/9 scale Superman action figure from Funjoy. Okay, so this is the front of the box. You have the DC logo, DC and Warner Brothers logo na sticker, authenticity sticker to. Ibig sabihin, yung product na to ay original and authentic. Hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. Thank you very much, Laro Anan, for providing this action figure for unboxing and review. And kung gusto niyo bumili ng Superman action figure na to from Funjoy, pumunta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook. Thank you very much again, Laro Anan, for sending these very, very cool action figures for review. Okay, so this is the front of the box, the side of the box, and the other side. Tapos sa likod, meron siyang accessories and dynamic na poses. Okay? Tara, buksan natin. Sa right side, sa left side ng box, you have the magnetic flap. Open niya siya. Tapos nandito yung action figure sa top. And sa first tray, nandito yung action figures. Sa second tray naman, nandun yung mga accessories. Alright, this is Superman out of the packaging. And it's very, very cool. He stands around 7.5 inches tall. Mas malaki ng konti sa McFarlane Toys. Usually McFarlane Toys mga 7 inches tall, pero grabe, this one's very, very nice. Look at the texture dito sa kanyang suit. Very cool. Tapos may mga line work na ginawa dito sa kanyang chest at top of the shoulder. Dito sa paligid din ng shoulder joint. And under the chest, sa rib area, meron ding line work dyan. And you have the very, very big Superman logo, yellow na diamond and the letter S dun sa crest design na. And you also have the yellow belt, red na underwear, the blue overall suit. Yung pagka-blue niya, hindi siya, it's a very matte finish. You have the cape. Also, you have the wired cape. Pwede nyo, maganda sa wired cape, pwede mo siyang i-pose na kung anong angle mo gusto, di ba? Kung kunwari, something like that. Pwede mo i-twist yung mga parts ng cape. Kunwari, lumilipad siya or kaya naka-landing pose siya. And you also have the suit dito sa may lower part. Very nice. Okay, so medyo zoom in tayo sa face niya. Kamukha niya naman si David Corenswet. Very, very cool head sculpt. Look at that. You have the glossy eyes, the nose of the bridge of the nose. It's very sharp. Tapos ang ganda rin ng sculpt ng kanyang mouth and the chin, very pronounced. The forehead, the hair sculpt is very cool. And then brush up from this side to this side, and very clean cut, wavy hair in the ears, and yung neck na very great sculpt by Funjoy. Okay, in terms of articulation, up, down, 360. Tapos, extend, hindi masyado. Ab crunch, uy, sira. Teka, pwede lang makabit yan eh. Okay. Okay. Put it back. Okay. That far, ab crunch, stretch, that far. Meron din pala siyang cut dito sa waist. Okay. Tapos, can pull up the arm. Hindi pwede ma-pull out. Okay. Pero pwede siyang maikot. 360. And then, arm swivel. Double jointed na elbow and ball joint yung kamay. And twist. Rotate. Yan. Meron namang rotation din dito. Can you pull down the legs? Hindi naman, hindi masyado. Medyo nag-hinder lang tong part na to kasi yung underwear niya dahil dun sa kick. Yung kick niya dapat i-rotate niya to para maka-kick forward niya. Rotate niya na lang yan. And then, double jointed knee. And then, ball joint yung paa. Okay, for accessories, you have crypto na pwede nyong very nice accessories actually. You have not one but two crypto na dog accessories. Very cool. You have crypto white colored dog. Tapos you have the eyes, the nose, the mouth. Yung mouth niya pwede mong i-open and close. Tapos yung isa flying and yung isa standing. And then you have the red cape and the yellow logo. And then you also have the Superman oval logo, Superman text here. Hindi spring-loaded yung kanyang clip. So you can grip Superman sa kanyang mga flying poses. And then you also have the flying hands, the chop hands, and some grabbing hands. So that's it mga mom sir. Again, thank you very much Laro Anon for providing this very very cool Superman action figure. If you haven't watched the movie, watch it. It's very very fun. Super super cool na Iron Man, Superman action figure. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.